Isaiah 55 verses 10 to 11. For as the rain comes down and the snow from heaven, and do not return there, but water the earth, and make it bring forth and bud, that it may give seed to the sower and bread to the eater, so shall my word be that goes from my mouth. It shall not return to me void, but it shall accomplish what I please, and it shall prosper in the thing for which I sent it. And I'm just going to read the notes from the King James Version. This verse is really a guarantee that his word will bear fruit. And according to John Maxwell, his word will get results. His word will furnish with tools and resources. His word will meet all our needs. His word will perform his will. His word will satisfy the soul of the hearers. So let's receive this abundant life, and we can access it by getting into the word and taking every promise that has been given to us and holding on and having faith.